Hello guys, this is Bunny and you're watching my new channel Bunny. I hope you all will be fine. In previous video we discussed about the problems of life and their solutions.
We had discussed the major problems of the life that we faces every day. Everyone has problems in life. For the most part, we are able to quickly solve them without much trouble. But we either come up with a quick solution or use a strategy that worked in the past. Problems become more difficult when there is no obvious solution and strategies that you have tried in the past don't work. I discussed with you three strategies, three steps. The first one is the problem. When you get the problem, that means there must be a solution. Not only one solution, but more than one solutions. That's why we can say that it is better to solve one problem in 5 different ways than to solve 5 problems in a single way. And the second step is to get a solution. When you get the solution, that means you overcome the problem, and when you overcome the problem, that means you are approaching to your success, you are approaching to your result, and you are approaching to your conclusion. And when you get the conclusion, that means you achieve your target, you achieve the success, you overcome your problem. And that's how can we build up yourselves.
Why we can't find the solution? If we had an hour to solve a problem, we would spend 55 minutes thinking about the problem and 5 minutes thinking about the solution. It is the most effective problem in our life. Actually, we spend a lot of time thinking about the problem instead of to resolving the solution, instead to looking at the solution, and that's how we waste our time and we lose the solution. Don't waste your time on thinking about the problems, but utilize it by thinking the solutions. We cannot solve our problems with the same level of thinking that created them. It implies that there must be a higher level of thinking we may attain. There is always a room of learning, there is always a room of experience, and also the room of a building for our knowledge. Good and bad, right and wrong, truth and deception, it all depends on your state of mind.
The only reason that people cannot handle their problems is because they don't have enough problems. That is the level of problem. It means when you have never solved any problem in your life, that means you have no experience how to solve any problem, how to get the solutions of the difficult problem in your life that you faces every day.
More the problems you will solve, the more the easier you will get the solution. Another key of life, I have found the problem to the solution. That means I got the path that makes me able to get my solution, that makes me able to get the success. And a problem is an opportunity shouting at you. That means the door of opportunity is always open, but nobody bothers to push the door open. They just get tired out by knocking and then they leave. It is better to solve one problem 5 different ways than to solve 5 problems one way. It worth because every problem has its single solution or more than one solution. But if you use many problems by doing one solutions, it will bother you. Best way to escape from your problems is to solve them. All is big until it is solved to become small. Every problems that appears in your life always seems to be bigger, but it causes the difference between a successful people and a failure one. Don't compare yourself to anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. The key to success is to focus on goals, not on obstacles. There are many millionaires and billionaires in this world. Bill Gates is one of them. After all these problems, we have an exception. When you find no solution to a problem, it's probably not a problem to be solved, rather to be accepted. Sometimes we have to accept the problems instead of solving the problem. Thank you guys, our discussion has been ended. For today's video, I will come back with more interesting topics and more interesting problems with you all. Keep supporting me, keep liking me, also subscribe my YouTube channel and also press on bell icon.